Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. We have a question regarding a binary tree and whether it can be uniquely reconstructed from its pre-order and post-order traversals. The issue here lies in the potential ambiguity between left and right nodes, creating a bit of a puzzle to solve. Now, delving into the solution provided, the short answer is a resounding no, unless the binary tree is also a full binary tree. This is due to the crucial role of the Inorder traversal in resolving the ambiguity between left and right nodes. To illustrate, let's compare two binary trees that yield the same pre-order and post-order traversals. We have one tree with nodes 1, 2, 5, 3, and 6 arranged in a specific structure, in another tree with the same nodes but a different configuration. Without the Inorder traversal, distinguishing between these two scenarios becomes quite the conundrum. To sum up our exploration of this binary tree reconstruction dilemma, it's clear that without the Inorder traversal, accurately reconstructing the tree becomes a tricky task, especially when faced with ambiguous left and right node placements. Understanding the nuance of traversal orders is key to navigating this challenge effectively. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!